friends, I hope you all are safe at your home. So today in this video we are going to learn chapter number 12, that is Tiger at the Door. So it is a very interesting story about three friends who were going for a nature trek. Okay, so let us begin with the story. I'll start reading, you have to read with me also, okay? Three boys, Rusty, Popat and Pitambar, were on a nature trek in Chakrata. The boys were walking through an area with oaks, pines and groves of bamboo when Rusty felt that they were being followed. There was no one to be seen, but every now and then a twig crackled, or there was a soft thud like a heavy animal's footfall. There was a strange smell in the air, the smell of feline predator, the same smell you get from the cage of the big cats in a zoo. I think we are being stalked by a tiger or a leopard, whispered Rusty. Let's stay together. Okay, so here in the introduction paragraph, रस्टी, पोपट और पीताम्बर के बारे में बोला गया है कि वो लोग नेचर ट्रैक में गए थे चक्राता में. वो लोग जंगल के अंदर बैम्बू ग्रूव से पाइन्स एंड ओक सारे वो एरिया में गए थे जहाँ पे वो लोग चल रहे थे. उनको लगा कि कोई उनको फॉलो कर रहा है. देन दे केम टू नो कि कोई इंसान नहीं बट सम एनिमल, हैवी एनिमल इज़ फॉलोइंग अस. फिर आगे चले तो उनको पता चला दैट देयर वॉज अ स्ट्रेंज स्मेल इन द एयर. ओके, द स्मेल वॉज similar to the smell which we get from the cage of big cats in a zoo. Then Rusty whispered that we are being stalked by leopard or a tiger. So he says that let us stay together. कोई हमें फॉलो कर रहा है तो हमें साथ में रहना चाहिए. नेक्स्ट पेज. Let's go back, said Popat nervously. It's behind us, not in front of us. Should we run? Asked Pitambar. No, don't run, said Rusty. Then it will know we are scared and it will come after us. Just walk normally as though we are not bothered. Easier said than done, replied Popat, doing his best not to break into a run. ठीक है. सो अभी वो तीन के अंदर आजू बाजू कन्वर्जेशन हो रही है. देयर इज बीन कन्वर्जेशन गोइंग ऑन बिटवीन थ्री ऑफ देम. सो पोपट सेज दैट लेट अस गो बैक. सो पीताम्बर सेज दैट नो, द एनिमल इज नॉट इन फ्रंट ऑफ अस, इट इज़ बिहाइंड अस, सो वी कैनॉट गो बैक. सो फर्दर ही आस्क्ड दैट शुड वी रन. So Rusty replies that no, don't run. If he comes to know that we are scared, then it will come after us. So just walk normally. So Popat replies that easier said than done. बोल रहे means कि बोलना easy है पर करना it is very difficult. So he was very much nervous. Popat was the one who was nervous amongst all. They rounded a bend and could see the Manly rest house in the clearing below. We are nearly there, said Rusty. The rest house was deserted. There was no sign of a caretaker or an occupant. All the doors were closed. Is anyone there? Shouted Pitambar. Rusty and Popat took up the call, but there was no reply. Only a band of monkeys chattered excitedly in the surrounding trees. ठीक है, अभी वो लोग रास्ते में जा रहे थे जंगल में. And then they can see a Mandli rest house. There was a rest house in the jungle, so they can see that rest house. So Rusty says that we are nearly there, मतलब हम पहुँचने ही वाले हैं. As there was the rest house was deserted, means वो rest house में कोई दिख रहा नहीं था. So also there was no sign of the caretaker or watchman, कोई था नहीं. So three of them, they shouted that is anyone there, but there was no reply. Only the sound of monkeys, a band of monkeys were chattering around the trees. So that was being able to heard. We can't just wait out here in the open, said Rusty. And we are too tired to walk further today. We have no choice but to break in. This wasn't difficult. There was a lock on the front door, but they went around to the back and got in by breaking a pane of glass and unbolting the bathroom door. The forest rest house was full of doors and windows, not fastened securely. There was really nothing to secure except some basic furniture. Okay, so Rusty is saying that we cannot wait here in the open, and we are also very much tired to walk further. So we have no choice but just we need to stay here in the rest house. So they saw that in the front door there is a lock, but they went around, पीछे की तरफ गए और उन्होंने क्या किया, एक ग्लास की विंडो थी that they broke. Okay, and they were unbolting the bathroom door. ठीक है, bathroom door से वो लोग अंदर आए. Then how was the rest house? The rest house was full of doors and windows, not fastened securely, means अच्छे से सिक्योरिटी वाला घर नहीं था. Then he said that there was nothing really to secure. कुछ सिक्योर रखने के लिए इतना लॉक करने की ज़रूरत नहीं थी, बिकॉज वो घर में रेस्ट हाउस में कुछ नहीं था एक्सेप्ट बेसिक फर्नीचर. Just then Poppet, standing at one of the windows, exclaimed, "Look, Rusty, it's there near the boundary wall, and it's looking this way." A massive tiger was standing in the clearing, looking fixedly in the direction of the bungalow. It had almost caught up with them. It's been following us," said Rusty, trying not to panic. "Make sure the doors and windows are bolted." The window's bolt was a bit loose, but they secured it as well as they could and hoped for the best. The front door was, of course, locked from outside. They ran to the other window and looked out. The tiger was still there, a little closer now. "We left the back door open," screamed Poppet. They ran to the bathroom door and shut it. "Now the kitchen," said Rusty. अभी जैसे ही वो लोग घर के अंदर खड़े थे, पोपट saw from the window that the tiger was standing in the clearing, means थोड़े कॉर्नर में वो खड़ा था. So he told Rusty and the other one that, "See, it's been following us." So Rusty says that do not panic, make sure that the doors and windows are bolted, means वो अच्छे से बंद हो गए हैं. The windows bolt कैसे थे, loose थे, so they tried to secure it. After that the front door was, of course, they were locked from the outside, so issue main door का नहीं था. Then they ran towards the other window. सारी विंडो जाके देखी और उन्होंने बंद कर दी. But the tiger was still there. अभी थोड़ा और नज़दीक आ गया था. And then Poppet screamed कि हमने बैक डोर तो ओपन ही रखा है. So they ran to the bathroom and shut it. Then Rusty says किचन भी बाकी है. So इसके आगे क्या होगा that we will see in the next video. Okay, so I hope you have understood. 3 friends जाते हैं जंगल में ट्रैकिंग के लिए चक्राता में, एंड दे थिंक दैट दे आर बीइंग फॉलोड बाय समवन. सो वो लोग जाते रेस्ट हाउस में फटाफट अंदर चले जाते हैं. देन उनको पता चल जाता है कि एक टाइगर हमें फॉलो कर रहा है. अभी वो लोग टाइगर को देखते हैं एंड दे मेक श्योर दैट ऑल द डोर्स एंड विंडोज़ ऑफ द रेस्ट हाउस इज़ बीन लॉक्ड, सो दैट वो लोग सेफली अंदर रह सके, टाइगर चला जाए वहाँ तब तक. ओके, सो टिल हियर द स्टोरी इज़ बीन क्लियर. I hope you have understood through the video. Thank you and have a nice day.